Imagine you're deep in the wilderness, rifle in hand, lacing up your boots, ready to embrace the ultimate act of self-sufficiency. The idea of hunting to feed yourself, free from grocery stores and factory farms, sounds empowering. But wait, let's pause for a moment. That rifle? Mass-produced. The boots? Designed using industrial materials. Your GPS device? Engineered and manufactured by high-tech systems. Even your matches or lighter, those two are factory-made. As you stand in the wild, it's worth asking, are you truly self-sufficient? Or are modern systems quietly supporting you? Let's uncover the truth behind hunting and survivalism, and explore how modern technology plays a role in even the most independent acts of survival. Hunting has long been romanticized as the ultimate symbol of independence. It connects us to our roots, representing survival, resourcefulness, and self-sufficiency. There's a direct connection to nature, a chance to provide for yourself, and a test of skill that seems to make you stand apart from the modern world. You're out there tracking your prey, aiming your rifle, and providing for your family. This sounds like independence at its finest. But the truth is, hunting, like many survival activities, is deeply intertwined with modern tools and industrial systems. From firearms and ammunition to hunting boots and GPS devices, the very tools that allow you to survive in the wild are the products of complex industrial processes. They make your hunting experience easier, more efficient, and more comfortable. Yet they also reveal how reliant we are on modern society, even when we think we're embracing independence. The modern hunter's toolkit is packed with items that owe their existence to mass production and advanced manufacturing. Consider firearms and ammunition. Rifles, shotguns, and bullets are precision-engineered tools that require advanced materials and manufacturing processes. A single bullet, for example, involves mining, smelting, and machining, none of which can be done without industrial support. The same goes for cutting tools like axes, knives, and chainsaws, all of which are essential for tasks like cutting wood or preparing game. Chainsaws, which are critical for felling trees, rely on gasoline, industrial steel, and mechanical engineering to operate. Navigation equipment like GPS devices, compasses, and maps are crucial for finding your way in the wilderness. But they too rely on complex systems. GPS alone depends on satellite networks maintained by global organizations. Even the clothes you wear, from insulated jackets to waterproof tents, are made with synthetic materials developed by the textile industry, which use advanced technologies. All these tools, designed for efficiency, comfort, and safety, are the products of modern industry, not the result of individual self-sufficiency. Fuel is another invisible lifeline that ties survivalists to modern infrastructure. Gasoline and diesel fuel power everything from chainsaws and ATVs to portable generators, making it nearly impossible to be fully independent without these fuels. A chainsaw, for example, depends on gasoline for operation. Similarly, hauling firewood using an ATV is far more efficient than carrying it by hand, but it requires fuel. Even off-grid survivalists who rely on solar power still depend on the manufacturing of solar panels, another modern system that plays a critical role in enabling survival. Flashlights, radios, and other electronic devices require batteries, which are factory-made and have a limited lifespan. Even the most independent survivalist depends on industrial systems for energy solutions, whether it's through fuel-powered generators or solar panels. This connection to modern systems becomes especially clear when we consider that, without the convenience of these energy sources, survival would be much more challenging and less efficient. The question then arises, what would true independence in survival look like? What if you had to completely eliminate reliance on modern systems? Could you still hunt, gather, and thrive without the help of factories, fuel, or high-tech tools? The reality is that pure independence in survival is extremely difficult and would drastically reduce comfort, efficiency, and safety. Making your own tools, like a bow, a spear, or even a knife, requires immense skill, time, and energy. For example, crafting a functional bow from raw materials might take days, and even then, it would likely lack the precision and power of a modern firearm. Clothing without industrial fabrics would revert to primitive materials like animal hides or woven grass, which provide limited protection against the elements. Traditional hunting methods like spears or traps are less efficient than firearms and often require years of practice to perfect. Even something as simple as navigating without a GPS or map would rely on memory and natural landmarks, increasing the risk of getting lost. While survival without modern systems is possible, it would be a much more grueling, high-risk, and resource-intensive lifestyle. So, if true self-sufficiency without industry is so difficult, how can survivalists strike a balance between modern tools and traditional skills? The answer lies in managing dependencies wisely. It's about using modern tools strategically, while still developing traditional survival skills. Start by investing in durable, long-lasting tools that complement traditional methods. A high-quality knife, for example, is versatile and enhances your ability to hunt, cook, and build. But it's equally important to learn backup skills, such as starting a fire without matches or navigating by the stars, to ensure that you're prepared in case your modern tools fail. Focusing on the maintenance of your tools is crucial as well. Regularly cleaning, sharpening, and repairing your gear ensures that it lasts longer, reducing the need for constant replacements. By combining modern tools with traditional skills, you can create a flexible, resilient survival strategy. Modern tools like GPS devices and chainsaws can enhance your efficiency, but knowing how to use a map and compass, or starting a fire from scratch, ensures that you're never too dependent on any single tool. One of the hidden benefits of modern reliance is the efficiency and convenience it provides. Modern tools save time and energy, allowing survivalists to focus on critical tasks like hunting, gathering, and building shelter. For instance, a chainsaw can fell trees in minutes compared to the hours it would take with an axe. Insulated clothing ensures warmth in extreme conditions, reducing the risk of hypothermia. Modern survival gear, from tents to sleeping bags, is designed for comfort and efficiency, enabling survivalists to spend less time setting up and more time focusing on their primary goals. These tools don't diminish the effort or skill involved in survival. Instead, they enhance your ability to survive, making tasks more manageable and efficient. Ultimately, the goal of survivalism is not to reject modern systems entirely, but to manage your dependencies in a way that allows you to thrive. The key is balance, using modern tools and systems where they provide the most benefit, while cultivating the skills and resilience needed to thrive without them when necessary. Survival is not about isolation or rejecting all modern conveniences, but about preparing yourself for any situation. Whether you're hunting, building shelter, or foraging, the heart of survivalism lies in finding balance, flexibility, and respect for the natural world. True independence is about adaptability, using the tools and knowledge of today to support your survival without losing sight of the skills and resourcefulness that have sustained humanity for centuries. So, next time you head out for a hunt or a survival adventure, remember, independence isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about using what you have wisely and being prepared to thrive with or without the comforts of modern technology.